Are you tired of dealing with clogged skimmers and cumbersome vacuuming routines for your pool?
Introducing the ChangTa SP1106 Pool Skimmer Vacuum Plate, the ultimate solution for effortless pool maintenance.
Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of pool maintenance with a game changer, the ChangTa SP1106 Pool Skimmer Vacuum Plate. This innovative device is making waves in the market for all the right reasons.
Let's talk features. This vacuum plate is tailor-made for Hayward and ground skimmer models SP1082, SP1084, SP1085, and SP1075, ensuring a perfect fit for your pool setup. With a diameter of 7 and 29/32 inches and a 1.5-inch straight adapter, it boasts a snug fit over the skimmer basket, sealing the deal with a rubber gasket for optimal vacuum performance. Here's the magic. Instead of relying on your pump strainer basket, this vacuum plate redirects suction directly from the skimmer basket. Say goodbye to manual vacuuming and hello to a cleaner, hassle-free pool experience. Crafted from high-quality materials and rigorously tested, this vacuum plate meets OEM standards, ensuring durability and reliability you can trust.
Installation is a breeze. Simply fit the plate over your skimmer basket, attach your pool vacuum hose, and you're good to go. Plus, with its easy-to-follow instructions, you'll be swimming in crystal-clear waters in no time. So, if you're ready to upgrade your pool maintenance game and spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your oasis, the ChangTa SP1106 Pool Skimmer Vacuum Plate is the ultimate choice. Dive into a cleaner, clearer pool today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy swimming!